Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Engineering All-in-One. So in this video we will see 30 MCQs on the centrally sponsored scheme. Already 3 videos on the same topic have been uploaded in my channel. You can go and watch. Now let us start. Question number 1 is minimum age a person can join the Atal Pension Yojana. 18 years, 20 years, 17 years, 23 years. The correct option is option number first 18 years and maximum age is 50 years. Early it was 40 years. Related to the Atal Pension Yojana, the minimum pension guaranteed by the government of India is rupees 1000. Question number second, at which age subscriber will be eligible for the pension under Atal Pension Yojana? The options are 50 years, 60 years, 70 years and none. At the age of 60 years, a subscriber will be eligible for the pension under Atal Pension Yojana. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is enter the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana PMJJBY is not allowed after the age of 50 years, 40 years, 30 years, 60 years. The correct option is option number first 50 years and minimum age is 18 years. It is a life insurance scheme. So question number 4 is what is the annual premium payable by the subscriber to the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? Rupees 210, 330, 450 and 510. The correct option is option number second 330 is the annual premium for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Now question number 5 is insurance cover payable to the nominee on the death of subscriber to PMJJY BY. By should be here. Rupees 50,000, 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh. The correct option is option number D, 2 lakh. Question number 6. What is the annual premium payable under the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana? Annual premium here under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. In the previous case was Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and in that case the annual premium was 330 rupees. Now in this case the options are 20, 30, 40 and 12. The correct option is option number D, 12 rupees 12 and the age is from 18 to 70 years. It was launched in 2015 in Kolkata. It is a accident insurance scheme. Now question number 7. In case of full disability, insurance cover provided to the subscriber of the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana is 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. The correct option is option number second 2 lakh and in partially damaged case 1 lakh is provided. Question number 8. What is the slogan tagline of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? मेरा खाता भाग्य विधाता कल की फिक्र नहीं है सबका साथ सबका विकास. The correct option is option number first मेरा खाता भाग्य विधाता. Question number 9. Up to what age of girl child can be accounted under the Sukhaniya Samriddhi Yojana be opened? 10 years, 12 years, 13 years and 8 years. The correct option is option number first 10 years. Up to the age of 10 years an account under the Sukhaniya Samriddhi Yojana can be opened. Now question number 10. Minimum annual deposit to be made in an account under the Sukhaniya Samriddhi Yojana. Rupees 1000, 250, 300 and 500. The correct option is option number second rupees 250. Not 1000. Earlier it was 1000 and maximum is 1,50,000 rupees. Now question number 11. For how many years can deposits be made in an account under the Sukhaniya Samriddhi Yojana? 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, 21 years. Up to the age of 15 years, deposits can be made under the Sukhaniya Samriddhi Yojana. And the main aim of this scheme is to encourage parents to build the fund for the female child for future expenses like marriage, education, etc. Now question number 12 is which is the animal Which animal is in the logo of Make in India campaign? Make in India campaign. Bear, cow, lion, and tiger. The correct option is option number C, lion. See here. This is the logo of Make in India, and the animal is lion. Now, question number 13. Objective of the Make in India is, we have to here identify what is the objective of Make in India. First is to increase the manufacturing sector by 12 to 14% per annum, to create 100 million jobs, to ensure manufacturing contribution to GDP to 25% by 2020, or all of these. The correct option is option number D, all of these. Question number 14. In respect of the commercial bank, which entity monitors the Kisan Credit Card scheme? RBI, SBI, NABARD. The correct option is option number first, RBI. It is regulated by NABARD and is monitored by RBI. It was introduced in 1998. RV Gupta Committee, on the recommendations of RV Gupta Committee. Question number 15. Full form of Amrut is, the three options are here: Atal Pen Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, additional mission for recycle and urban transmission. Now we have to identify here. The correct option is option number first, Atal Mission. You can go further. This is the sentence. And one more point about the Amrut is, it was launched in 2015. Question number 16. Purpose of Amrut is, what is the purpose of this scheme? Providing basic infrastructure, provide affordable housing loans, or provide free milk. The correct option is option number first, provide basic infrastructure. This is the option number 1, correct. And related to the Amrut, basic infrastructure like tap water and sewer connection to every household, solid waste management. It was related to the Amrut. Now one more question, question number 17. Sharmev Jayati Yojana, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya, was launched on 2014, 2017, 2018, and none. The options are option number 214 is the correct option for this question. Now one more related to the Pradhan Mantri. This is the question. Sharma Jayati Yojana related to it, and it was the initiative for the development of the industries. Now question number 18. Which of the following is not an initial product under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? Shishu, Tarun, Kishore, and Vridha. The correct option is option number D. Vridha is not the initial product under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. It was launched in 2015. Now question number 19. Mudra stands for Mini Units Development and Finance Agency Bank, Micro Units, Mining Units. The correct option is option number 2, Micro Units. Question number 20. Name the scheme launched by the Cabinet Committee to provide the free LPG connections to the women below the poverty line. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, Ujjwala scheme, and none. The correct option is option number 2, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. It was launched in 1 May 2016. Question number 21. Train over 40 crore people in India in different skills by 2022 is the objective of this scheme. Digital India, Bharat Nirman, Skill India, and Project Sankalp. The correct option is option number C, Skill India. Question number 22. Creative India, Innovative India, a scheme launched to raise the awareness of what among people? Startups, intellectual property rights, and Make in India products. It was launched to raise the awareness about intellectual property rights. Question number 23. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment. Why should be here? Employment Guarantee Act, MG Narega, was started in 2015 to 1995, 2006. The correct option is option number C, 2006. See here, GANDHI. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In Gandhi, there are 6 up to 6. So you can remember here 2006. This is simple trick to remember this scheme. Hope you have got this. Now question number 24. To uplift girls' condition in an is the objective of each scheme. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Bhagya Shri Bal Kalyan policy and Mission Andhra-Dhanush. The correct option is option number 2nd. Question number 25. Smart Cities Mission was launched in 2015, 2016, 2017 and 2018. The correct option is option number first, 2015. See here, SMART, smart. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remember this way, and it is the 2015. Question number 26. To develop world-class tourism infrastructure is an objective of which scheme? Mission Indradhanush, NRHM, Smart Cities Mission, Swadesh Darshan Yojana. The correct option is option number D. Now question number 27. Udan was launched in 2015, 2016, 2017, 2014. The correct option is option number C, 2017. How you will remember this? C. Suppose this is a Vistara flight, and in the Vistara, Vistara 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 comes in last. So 2017. Hope you have got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 alphabet, so 2017. Remember this way. To establish girls' school in district having low female literacy rate. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Kasturba Gandhi Education Scheme, Seva and none. The correct option is option number 2nd. Question number 29. MSIP's incentive package scheme to encourage investment and production in electronic goods sector. In this scheme, MSIP's stands for. We have to hear. This is the objective of the scheme is this: to encourage investment and production in the electronic goods sector. Now we have to identify here. MSIP stands for Modified Special Incentive Scheme, Major Special Incentive Scheme and Mini. The correct option is option number first, Modified Special Incentive Scheme. Question number 30. In PM CARES Fund created on 28 March 2020 following the COVID-19 pandemic in India. CARES stands for Citizen Assistance and Relief in the Emergency Situation, Citizen Allocated and Rehabilitation Emergency Situations, both and none. The correct option is option number first, Citizen Assistance and Relief. Assistance and relief in the emergency situations. So these were the 30 MCQs. With this, we can. So with this question number 30, we conclude the topic. Also, I request you, if you have got some amount of knowledge from my video, I request you subscribe the channel. Thank us. Stay blessed.